Which Indian state is touched by both the Arabian Sea and an international border? Answer is Gujarat. Which neighboring country lies immediately to the east of Bangladesh? Answer is Myanmar. Which Indian state has the longest coastline on the Bay of Bengal? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following union territories is located in the Arabian Sea? Answer is Lakshadweep. Which island group lies in the Bay of Bengal? Answer is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which neighboring country shares a boundary with the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram? Answer is Myanmar. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer immediately after Chhattisgarh while moving west to east? Answer is Jharkhand. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer immediately after Jharkhand while moving west to east? Answer is West Bengal. The standard meridian of India is located east of the prime meridian by. Answer is 82 degrees 30 minutes. India's easternmost longitude is approximately. Answer is 97 degrees 25 minutes east. India's westernmost longitude is approximately. Answer is 68 degrees 7 minutes east. The total longitudinal extent of India is about. Answer is 29 degrees. The total latitudinal extent of India is about. Answer is 29 degrees. Which neighboring country is situated between India and China in the eastern Himalayas? Answer is Bhutan. Which neighboring country is west of Bangladesh? Answer is India. Which Indian state shares borders with Bangladesh and Myanmar? Answer is Mizoram. Which Indian state shares borders with China and Myanmar but not with Bangladesh? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following states does not share an international boundary? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which is the only Indian state surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides? Answer is Tripura. Which neighboring country lies to the southwest of India across the Arabian Sea? Answer is Maldives. Which sea route connects the Arabian Sea with the Bay of Bengal around southern India? Answer is Indian Ocean. Which of the following countries is not a member of India's immediate land neighbors? Answer is Thailand. Which Indian state shares the longest coastline on the Arabian Sea? Answer is Gujarat. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer immediately before Tripura? Answer is West Bengal. Which neighboring country is located between India and Southeast Asia by land? Answer is Myanmar. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer immediately after West Bengal while moving west to east? Answer is Tripura. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer immediately after Tripura while moving west to east? Answer is Mizoram. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. Which is the correct order of the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes from west to east? Answer is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Which Indian state has the longest land boundary with Bangladesh? Answer is West Bengal. Which neighboring country shares borders with 5 Indian states? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares borders with 4 Indian states of northeast India? Answer is Myanmar. Which state shares an international boundary with Pakistan and also has a coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Which Indian state shares an international boundary with both Pakistan and China? Answer is none of these. Which union territory shares borders with China and Pakistan? Answer is Ladakh. The prime meridian passes through which place? Answer is Greenwich. The prime meridian is located at. Answer is 0 degrees longitude. Which of the following is the easternmost union territory of India? Answer is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which union territory is located in the Arabian Sea? Answer is Lakshadweep. Which neighboring country shares a border with only one Indian state? Answer is Afghanistan. Which Indian state shares borders with the largest number of neighboring countries? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh? Answer is West Bengal. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal and China only? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which neighboring country lies between Nepal and Bangladesh? Answer is India. The east-west extent of India is measured from. Answer is Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. The north-south extent of India is measured from. Answer is Indira Col to Indira Point. Which point is regarded as the northernmost point of India? Answer is Indira Col. Which of the following is the southernmost point of the Indian mainland? Answer is Kanyakumari. Which neighboring country is separated from India by the Gulf of Mannar? Answer is Sri Lanka. Which of the following correctly represents India's geographical location? Answer is entirely in the northern and eastern hemispheres.